Fellas, good morning. Good morning. If the music is too loud, just let me know. What up, Blake? Good morning, brother. We got a little bit of a. I've got mixed feelings about today, if I'm going to be completely honest, right? Here's our data highs, or whatever tariff highs is the best way to put it, because this is our fake tariff pause news. All sorts of fucked up, right? I'm going to use that as a resistance area. As long as we are below our tariff news highs there at 18,382 pretty much, I am not bullish. I'm only looking for continuation lower. So for me, right, we broke our little 1 minute staircase. We're showing bearishness on the 1, and we're testing the 5 here. I want to see sellers get us some violation here and head for that 17,750 low. I'm personally bearish into today. We have no news today, but we'll see what happens. Man, I had the fucking short up here, stop above this 40 high, And I accidentally mismanaged it right when I went to take a shower. Fucking meant to hold a runner and I sold full on accident. Pisses me off. How are we feeling today? What are we looking for? What are we looking for? Come on, give me a lob. Throw me that alley-oop, son. Yup. Oh yeah, same. I wasn't even sitting down yet. Boom, 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 boom.
No, I'm not going crazy, but lately my head and my heart seem to be at least 8 million miles
Yeah,
apart.
right on the
My heart
burrito.
says to love you, my head says to run. It's like my heart is too afraid to tell my head when it's done. I know that it could never be the way it was, even though you'll be the death of me. I can't give you
Huh?
too much. It's not enough. It's not the love. It's not the lust that grips me. Must be the whiskey.
What the fuck just happened?
Drinking to remember and drinking to forget. I gotta love you on my mind. I got Jim Beam on my breath, and
Weird.
loneliness has got the rest. I've got nothing left within me. It must be the whiskey. Oh, I'm not going crazy, but lately these thoughts in my head are a whirlwind of a world of a million regrets. All the things I should have done, all the things I should have said, all the pain that comes with hating the mess you've made of yourself. I know I'm
Once it
chasing
gets above
waves,
86, I don't know about all that.
but the
But yeah, it
facts
does
are
look like
that
it
my
wants to pop up a
actions speak
5.
louder than my words, and it only makes it worse. Thinking of her, thinking she'll forgive me. It must be the whiskey. I've been drinking to remember and drinking to forget. I gotta love you on my mind. I got Jim Beam on my breath, and loneliness has got the rest. I've got nothing left within me. It must be the whiskey. I've been drinking to remember and drinking to forget. I gotta love you on my mind. I got Jim Beam on my breath, and loneliness has got the rest. I've got nothing left within me. Sometimes it hits me whenever I'm a little tipsy. Oh, it hits me whenever I'm a little tipsy. It must be the whiskey.
It doesn't look bad for a scout back down to the lows for a nice little 40 points.
Be the whiskey. It's that whiskey.
I'm gonna take a stab at that. Actually, I like this little light size for me. I'm gonna keep a very strict stop above that high. I want to see it sell off and get right before New York Open and get a nice quick scalp here. Very light, very tight stop. I am fighting the 5-minute trend. I want to see what happens here, though. That was a nasty candle open. What the fuck?
Another supper from a sack, a 99-cent heart attack. I got a pounding head and an aching back, and the camel's buried in a big straw stack. I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watching my corn pop up in rows. Every night be tucked in close to raise our kids where the
If we get stopped, we'll have a 1-minute inversion, and you can look to ride that's in the highs if you want. That's a nice 100-point trade right there. Sellers are still showing up, which is why I like this short, because we're so light and a tight stop. The risk is so defined. If we get stopped, we'll just flip and go long. But I want to see if we can get a continuation scalp here. There we go. Come on. Let's see some continuation lower. Come on. Come on. Beautiful. There we go. There we go, fellas. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's 20 points. Come on. I'm going to take a little bit off here at 20. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to keep a break even. Actually, I lied. I'm going to go right above this local high. I'm not going to give any back on this little 1 minute. It is a 1-minute trade. We took our points at 20. I was just looking for a nice little scalp. Stop above this 1-minute local high here. Nothing crazy, but a nice little $1,000 on the morning. They have took us out there. The remainder, like I said, I'm not risking much. Took my profits, and I'm going to run because we are fighting the 5-minute staircase test. I just was looking for a nice little scalp. I'll take 20 points all day. I still like the short, though. Let's see if we can get a nice little pop. Failure to go higher. See if we can get this 1-minute failure to go higher. Pop up, fail to break that 18,060 high. We'll look to see if sellers want to step up. It's a no news Tuesday after a very, very, very eventful Monday and bloodshed the past few days. I would not be surprised to see a dead cat bounce today. I'm just going to put that out there. It's very overdue, and we are due for it. I would not be surprised to see it. Though, I want to say that fake news pump yesterday was our dead cat, which is why I'm using that 18,370 as my bearish level. Unless we break above that, I'm not looking to long, personally. The closer we dig to it, the more I'm looking to short. That's just personal bias. Unless we get lower time frame confirmation, obviously we won't take it, but that's what I'm looking for. My stomach is killing me. Fuck, hey. Fuck. Hey, it's very possible. I'll definitely, if we do that and we approach it that way, I'll definitely be eyes on it for sure. No doubt about that. Oh, fuck. Stomach hurts, exhausted, starving. Fucking A.
Trucks, old bird dogs, and the woman we love. Maxwell has steaming out of a coffee cup. We say our prayers, sing them to the sky. Bus stop bags, barely getting by. Carolina to California up to Illinois. Yeah, there's guys like us. Yeah, there's guys like us. Blue collar boys. Blue collar boys. Well, my buckle makes impressions on the inside of her thigh. There are little feathered Indians where we tussle.
We just staircase all day today.
I know she was religious.
Oh my god, dude. I feel like I gotta throw up. I'm fucking A.
Such an angel, too fucked up to get back home. Looking over West Virginia, smoking spirits on the roof. She asked, ain't anybody told you that them things are bad for you? I said, many folks have warned me. There's been several people try, but up till now there ain't been nothing that I couldn't leave behind. Hold me close, my dear. Sing your whispering song softly in my ear, and I will sing along. Honey, tell me how your love runs true, and how I can always count on you. Be there when the bullets fly. I'd run across the river just to hold you tonight. Well, my heart is sweating bullets from the circles it has raced, like a little feathered Indian calling out the clouds for rain. I go running through the thick.
Do a little pop if you guys wanted to take that 1 minute inversion like we spoke about after getting stopped. You have multiple chances to pop in that 1 minute inversion, but I'm just sitting on hands right now. Sorry, I probably could have took that, but my stomach is on. And
Watching cigarettes burn.
can live stream on WAP? What the fuck? Oh, I'm doing that tomorrow. What the fuck? I didn't know I could live stream on WAP. Oh, I'm so doing that tomorrow. I'm gonna mess with that. I'm gonna mess with that later and figure out how to do that. Wow, that's ridiculous. Uh-oh, sellers are trying to step up here. Could this be our little failure to go higher here? Uh-oh. Let's see. I'd like to see if we can dig into that 820, 840. Fuck. That probably was a good spot to start averaging in, actually. Of course, brother. Of course. Shit, I don't know how much more I can try to tell people to be adding into their long term. If you're not buying down here in the 17,000s, you might just don't like money, right? The market will always go back up. Always. There will never, ever be a time, unless there was nuclear warfare throughout the globe, that the market doesn't rebound at some point. Buying all your favorite tech companies, especially something like Nvidia at $80, yeah. Yep. I'm in. They keep beating Tesla down with these stupid ass protests. Let it. Sub 200, 100, I am loading the fuck out of Tesla. Elon is our modern day Tony Stark. If you think that guy's companies are going anytime soon, you're out of your mind. He might be over busy right now, have much more on his plate than he can manage, but he will turn that shit around real quick. Look, there ain't another EV out there that competes with Tesla. Other than maybe, what is it, Rivian? And I would take a Tesla over a Rivian, personally. What a pop. What the fuck? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. People are turning into the markets. Uh-oh. We're done with breakfast. That is wild. There's like there's absolutely no news right now, is there? I don't think so. Ivy PMI at 9. Oh, that ain't doing shit. That ain't doing shit. Wow. What a pop. Oh, Trump news. Uh-oh, Trump to meet with the House Republicans at 1 p.m. Uh-oh. He's fired. Sorry, Trump, you gotta go, bro. Look, I mean, yeah, I mean, you're not wrong, but I think, you know, really everything that's going on is purely opinion based, right? You either love what's happening or you don't, right? Like in our case, and we're a prime example, you should love what Trump is doing, right? All these, the market dumping for you to buy in lower, you should love that. Tariffs that are short term gain, we're all 20 years old. I can guarantee you 90% of you guys won't even fucking feel the difference of the tariffs. Me and my business will feel the difference of the tariffs. It's just, everybody has their own opinion about it. But look, if in 5 years, NQ's at 30,000, the economy is booming, and everybody, you know, then what? Everybody's going to suck him off and say, oh man, he was so right. He was so right to do what he did in his first term. You know? It's just crazy. How come nobody gave up? Nobody gave a fuck about this shit when Biden was doing it. When Biden single-handedly cut off our country from fucking making its own oil. Like that was a fucking smart plan. You know, it's all opinion based, right? For me, I personally love it. I expected it. Did I expect us to come down to 16,000 on NQ? Fuck no. But I expected him to dump the markets in the first year purely because it was manipulated the entire time, right? I mean, if you can't see that, then I can't help you see that. But it was well overdue. That's the best way I can put it. It was well overdue. And if you're not buying down here, you're just silly. We are fucking flying. I should have took that 1 minute inversion up. Fucks. I need to get better at taking these 1 minute inversions. I see them and I pre-call them and I don't ever fucking take them. I swear. I'm going to have one-on-one with Desi. Fuck. The fucking 100 points. Oh, I probably should have added on. I didn't even see us pull back like that. What? That would have been an insane ad right there. Stop under the 90. What up, Star of Dance? I don't know if I've ever seen your face in here, brother. Or sister. Welcome in. Welcome in. I'm not a huge 1 minute trader. Just like the short we took earlier for the scalp. If I'm taking a trade on the 1 minute, it's very, very light size most of the time. I'd rather wait for my system on the 5 minute. It's proven through and through to be much, much better. But I mean, look, there's days where you have to do the 1 minute, right? You're not catching this trade on the 5. I mean, maybe you could have, I lied. You're definitely taking this 5 minute staircase test after that. I should have took that. I'm just a bum, honestly. Oh, gonna be an interesting morning, that's for sure. Give me like 5 minutes, fellas. I'm gonna go make my protein shake, and I'll be right back while the market's just 1 minute boom sticking. What up, huh? Good morning, brother. Good morning. Good morning. Dude, we are flying. What? Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's a candle right there, fellas. Almost 100 points. Sheesh. What a 5 minute. What a 5 minute ad. Damn, I should have took that 1 minute inversion. That's gonna haunt me today. Okay. Feel you. Wings. Oh, hope people bought longs. Hope people bought some shares. What if that truly was the bottom already, chat? What if that was the bottom? I didn't buy enough. Fuck. Oh no. Oh fudge. That would be hilarious. If that was the actual bottom and I only got a third of my fills, I'd be quite upset. That's why DCA sucks ass. Sometimes you don't get all your fill. You buy full all the time. You're chilling. Very debatable, Jackson. Very, very debatable. Well, I mean, you don't never. It's hard to get FOMO on shares, to be honest. I mean, unless you just were like, "Oh man, I'm gonna buy Nvidia at 80," and then you don't buy a single share, and then you watch that bitch in 5 years at 400. Well, then you're gonna have FOMO. But it's not like day trading where you're like, "Oh man, I should take this 1 minute inversion." Don't take it, and then it boom sticks 150 points in your face. That's next level FOMO. See if we can get a nice little 5 minute pullback here. I'm gonna do something silly here. I'm gonna take a short here at. Well, hold on. Do I want to do that? Do I want to do that? Um,
Now and then I think of when we were together. Like when you said you felt so happy.
I lied. I'm gonna do something a little silly here. I'm short, very, very light here at 30. Strict stop above this 1 minute. I want to see if we can catch another scalp down to this 1 minute EMA. From there, I'm gonna manage and look to flip long, or just gonna stop us out for a literal paper cut. One of the two is gonna happen. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. There we go. 20 points, baby. Bang, bang, bang. Uh-oh. 30 points coming up. Uh-oh. I'm taking a little bit off here. Oh. Oh. Not so dumb now, is it? I would look to manage here around 30, 40, 30 to 40 points here, just because in case we wick right down to that 1 minute EMA and pop right back up, you don't want to get caught in that. Make sure you take some off. I'm going to move this stop just above that local high. We're risking what? Less than $100 to see if we can get continuation here. Let's go. There's 40 there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Violate this 1 minute staircase and tell us we caught the fucking top today, baby. Come on. I'm going to say it one more time. Make sure you've managed. I'm not your dad. Make sure you take green when you see some. Oh! Oh! And that's fucking why you managed. They stopped us for that 3-point stop. Oh! I'll take it. I'll take it all day, every day. That was beautiful. Hey, beautiful, Sing. Beautiful. Great trade. Jackson, I felt it, right? That's why I try to say, I repeat myself a lot, because when I say I'm taking a scalp, I'm taking a scalp. I was out 90% and we just risked 3 points on a runner. I'll do that all day, every day. But I'll take 30, 40 points in 2 minutes every single day, right? You can't, like I said, the past 4 to 5 days of price action are going to be very, very critical to traders. You're either going to get tons of FOMO and you're going to think we're going to continue like that for days on end and you're going to cook yourself, or you're going to be smarter. You're going to take your profits at the 30 to 40 points like we've always taught you, and you're going to let your runners do the dirty work. If we want to sell off 500 points, then let your runners sell off 500 points, but don't hold full just because you believe we're going to get continuation like that and then get caught in an upside candle that just violates your stop loss, right? Just be a smarter trader. Are those 1,000-point days beautiful? Absolutely, but they're unsustainable for a long period of time. No different than why I expect us to be bouncing. We need a dead cat bounce in the market if we want any sort of continuation lower. You can't just waterfall days and days and days. I mean, you can, but there's a point in time where it's just not plausible. Nice. That's a beautiful. I think I'm done on my copy trading accounts. I'm just going to trade my aggressive one now. Let's fucking go, fellas. Beautiful. It's like a 60-point day already. Got market opening up here in about 3 minutes. See what happens. Good morning, Dylan. What's up, big dog? Motherfuckers in here be stingy as shit, Sway. It's alright. We'll grow one day. $720p? What the fuck does that mean? Like quality? No, you're capping. I just have the background effect on. You're capping. I had the background effect on, so you couldn't see the background. There's no way that's 720p. I can read the AR on my hat clear as day with sunglasses on and the little ass box. No way. Let me see. Let me see. It looks clear to me. I don't know. Hey, Sing, I don't know shit about tech. Let me put it that way. If you ever seen the best trader that doesn't know shit about tech, you're fucking looking at him. Give me an iPhone, I'm making my money. I don't need all these fucking screens. Huh. But I think that's yours. Like, can you not turn that up? Huh. Interesting. I'm gonna have to check that out. I'm gonna check that out once we end stream. See if I can update that. I might have to have more subscribers. I have no idea. I don't know shit about YouTube. Huh. Very weird. Well, send me a picture of like what your screen looks like. I want to see what it looks like from a viewer standpoint. Damn. If it really looks that bad, I'm like, I've been going like this for months now, fam. No, you guys haven't told me shit. That's fucked up, family. That's fucked up. How does he wait? Yeah, but what the fuck? Huh. Oh, that's fucked up, huh? That's fucked up. How does it let him? I don't understand. Oh, huh. That's gotta be because he has like a bunch of subscribers or some shit. That's gotta be, right? That wouldn't make any sense as to why you can go to 1080p on his and not on it. What the fuck? Damn it. Now I gotta do extra work after stream to figure that out. That's crazy. YouTube's blacklisting me, fam. What the fuck? Let me see this. Because I'm doing it through Streamlabs, so let's see. Video. Interesting. Look worse than 720p or better? That's the real question. If worse, then we got a big problem. I had a couple of issues earlier. Whoa. Oh, I did not see ES break in here. Uh-oh. Oh, NQ didn't break. Hey, as long as it's better than 720p, I'm happy. I'll figure it out after stream. Man, we are just holding this 1 minute staircase like its life depends on it. I can't believe we didn't grab that inversion, Jackson. Oh my god. Desi would be disgusted in me right now. Fuck. We're not gonna tell him that one. We're not gonna tell him that one. I'd be up so fat right now. Oh, what the fuck? Short NQ here at 60. Wait. Oh, I just got played. Don't take that. Don't take that. I just donated my money. Don't take that trade. I just got so played. ES. I think my trading view just fucking... Wow. What the fuck? Literally showed NQ. Wow. What the fuck? I just got played. God damn it. That was a terrible trade. Literally looked like ES was dumping, and then all of a sudden we just gapped up 10 points. Fuck. Oh my god. Don't tell me my stop loss. Oh my. Is this butter, fam? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Please reject right here. Please. Please. Just go lower. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep going. More. More, please. Monsters. And look, I won't lie, actually. I kind of like NQ shorts here with ES. We have a huge little divergence right here on the 1 minute. Interesting spot. Interesting. There we go. That's the sell we needed, baby. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Send that bitch lower. Come on. I like it, Dylan. I like it a lot. I don't like it a lot. I like it, but not a lot. Reason being, NQ is really strong. ES already took out both of these lows. Like, huge little, oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. I'm sorry for telling you not to take that trade. Wow, that might have been the luckiest stop loss placement I've ever had in my life. Wow. Yeah, okay. I think that's a sign from God to stop that. Let's fucking go! Come on, 1 minute staircase broken? Just impulse us lower. Come on, Dylan. Come on, Dylan. That was a terrible fucking alert. Damn it. Yeah, definitely trim here. I would definitely trim here. You got ES dying, though. Uh-oh. ES is dying. Heading for this low. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. All right, I'm holding runner. I'm holding a runner. Yup. Bro, I'd hold one, Jackson. I would hold one, son. We got ES leaking. Oh, dude. I didn't even realize the fucking market was open. Oh, dude, my head's all over the place. Ah! Oh, my God. I did not realize the market was open. Wow. Bam. Beautiful. We both got 100 points off the top. Wow, wow, wow. I am so sorry that I alerted that so shitty, guys. Fuck me, chat. I really thought I donated on that trade. I saw ES selling there. And yeah, I knew I had that. I'm sorry, chat. I hope some of you guys are paid, but if not, that's my fault. As fuck, Jackson. Actually, I take that back. We had ES testing and bouncing off its 5-minute EMA. We need to see violation here. I need to see 5-minute violation of this staircase. I want to see ES dig for 52.10 here in the next 5 to 10 minutes. I don't want to see any buyer strength coming off this 5-minute EMA. I cannot believe that stop loss didn't get tapped, to be completely honest. Buyers are weak. Buyers are really slowing down here. See what happens. Hey, still a great trade, Francesco. Shit. Just something to keep in mind, EX is a lot weaker than NQ, so I have eyes on both. We need to see ES get continuation here, or NQ should catch a bid. But I'm leaning bearish, just putting it out there that it needs to happen. I want to see something of this nature pan out. Yeah, that was a beautiful rejection. That might have just been our entry right there, to be completely honest with you. Or re-entry at that. If we pop into that 18,180 area, I'm going to short with a strict stop above 203, and that'll be my last trade, I think, if stopped out. This is purely a 1 minute short. Any other time frame is still holding bullish staircase. Purely a 1 minute short, but I want to see if we get bearish continuation today. If not, I'd imagine we just staircase until we get a break, to be completely honest. I'm looking for something like this.
Morning comes and you know that you wanna stay. Close the blinds, let's pretend that the time has changed. Keep our clothes on the floor, open up champagne. Let's continue tonight, come on, celebrate. That's how we do. Sometimes you gotta stay in.
There we go. There's our little pop. Come on. Give us some more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Uh-oh. Sellers stepping up. ES a lot weaker than NQ right here. Let's see what happens. I want to see a nice rejection here.
Mr. Carson?
That's a nasty candle. I spoke too soon. Me. Welcome to my house. Uh-oh, are we going to get a sweep of the highs on NQ with the strength it has compared to ES? Uh-oh. 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 Fellas, I'm in short here at 80. I have a little bit of a loose stop here. I want to see if we sweep and reject. I'll let you know if I sell this position. Light size, loose stop. Let's see. Let's see. I need a seller to step up big time here. Need seller to step up big time here. And come on. Come on. Come on. Step up, motherfuckers. If we break back above this candle high at 216, I'm out. If we break back above that high, I'm out because sellers are not stepping up. I don't want to see ES take this high. Right now on ES, we're in that failure to go higher category. Need seller to step up here. Bang. Yeah, NVIDIA's going ham. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I have a feeling we're getting stopped on this one, fellas. I just feel it. It's not a good feeling. It's not a good feeling. Yeah. I don't know. Hey, that's outside my domain, Jackson. I will say I'm using AMD Ryzen, AMD Radeon laptop, so there you go. I'm helping you. Come on, sellers. Let's go. Oh, my fucking liquidity sweeping. Let's dump here, baby. Let's fucking. Yeah, that laptop is a piece of shit. Hey, that shit was liquidity sweep, baby. I'm taking a little bit off here purely because we saw a decent red there, and I don't want to see that again. So I'm taking some off here at 50. Let's fucking go, fellas. We need to get back under 18,060 if we want any sort of continuation lower. But please manage your trade up 50 points. Let's go, Dylan. Uh-oh, that boy Dylan trying to get paid today. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, fellas. Come on, fellas. That's 70 points. Are we not paid or what? Come on. We fucking mapped that shit, baby. Who's doing it like that for you? Let's go, Jonathan. Beautiful. About time you hold it. Let's go. Hello. I need it. I want us to break and violate 18,063 down here. Violate these lows. Let's go, huh? Beautiful. Beautiful work, Unc. Under 63, I will be out 90% and holding a runner only. I'm just going to put that out there. Under 63, I'm out 90%. There you go, fellas. There's 90. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 100 pointer off a liquidity sweep? I know half of y'all were shitting your pants when we were red right there. Come on. Don't lie to me. Do not lie to me. I'm going to move my stop to break even here because we broke highs, we're dumped, we're failing to go lower. I don't even want to put any risk on. I'm going to go break even, and if we get more, we get more. If not, fuck it. I'm not going to risk on in these conditions. Price is all over the place. Look at that. Dude, from 90 right back to basically break even is insane. Man, I hope you guys are actually listening to me and taking profits. We have been stopped break even there. I don't even care because we caught 90 points and managed. That's how you fucking do it, baby. All right, we're gonna chillax for a little bit and see what they give us. We're going ham. It's only 20 minutes in the market open. Gotta take partials. I repeat myself on it almost 100 times a day because people just don't understand how important it is to take partials. And no different than what we did, right? We got a beautiful short entry, wrote it down, even though it didn't hit technically PT1. You got to be one allergic to money motherfucker to not trim at 90 points. Seriously. That's all I'm going to say. If you're that allergic to money, go somewhere else. Sheesh. Both sides getting paid today, baby. Wow. I'm not too. You could almost short NQ again off this because ES still has not taken highs. Chat, am I taking this one? That bitch is gone already. I'm not taking this one, chat. I'm not taking this one. I'm gonna chill out for a little bit. Yo, gun. That fart smells like you just shit in here, son. You serious? Oh my god. That's rank. You fucker. Hey, I wouldn't be surprised to go see us run that news high at this point, that tariff news, right? I'd like to see what this 4 hour does. If we just reject and keep that high, that'd be fantastic for continuation lower this week. But we'll see what happens. I'm chilling like a villain. We should be paid. That's the best part about trading, right? Everybody has their own style. Everybody has their own function. If we can come in here every single day from 7:30 till 9 a.m. and get paid central, close our screens, go enjoy our life, and not have to be sucked working 8 hours a day every single day, that is what I call financial freedom. Whether you're making $1 million or you're making 1,000 a day, I don't care. Both are great money. Obviously, one better than the other. Both are fantastic money and enough that you never have to work for somebody else ever again. I don't know many people in America making well over $2,000-$3,000 a day. I mean, obviously there are people, but that's special. We aren't LeBron James, all right? Some jobs that pay it, but again, your life has succumbed to that shit. That's what people don't understand is, there are jobs where you can make look, I'm up $2,500 on the morning, right? Maybe, I'm sorry, I'm up $3,000 on the morning. There's definitely jobs that will pay you that in a day, but your entire life is you're in the oil rig, you're fucking 40,000 feet up changing a light bulb, stuff that I would never want to do. Fuck that shit. People don't understand. You compound on these prop firms, dude, you'll change your life. These one-hit wonders, these big ballers, I mean, that's nothing. I'm sorry. No different than the people you see hitting millions on Apex. I want to see those people do it again and again, right? There's maybe 2 out of the 5 people that are posting $1 million payouts that will ever repeat that process. No different than why you see somebody making $1 million, that same person held 1 micro the entire downside trade, right? I'll fucking call them out. Who the fuck makes $1 million in trading, has that bearish of a bias, and holds 1 micro the entire time? 1? That's all you could afford? Come on. That shit screams red flag and one hit wonder. I'm not disgrading getting $1 million payout. That's fucking fantastic. But that's unteachable. Most of those people can never teach you how to trade like that. They have big ass balls. They don't care. Most of them probably don't have a lot of bills to pay or a mortgage, and they're just zero or hero rating. That's literally how it goes. And I'm not saying that that's wrong, but it's very true and thin of who can copy and do that type of shit. The average trader has a family to take care of. They can't risk their entire bank account on a trade like the person living in mommy and daddy's upstairs not paying a mortgage. Kind of crazy how that works, right? I mean, lower your expectations and you'll be amazed at what can happen. I'll take $3,000 every single day. That's a fantastic week. But on other news, we're fucking flying. Flying. Hey, Sway, you see Matt, the CEO, ban that guy from the prop firm because he said something about his payoff? I hate Matt so goddamn much. Fucking leech. Fucking scamming fuck. Fuck my funded. Seriously. If you support... I can't even say that because, like, some traders get paid out from that. But fuck that guy. I hate how we elevate scammers in life. Oh yeah, again, it don't matter. And make your money because you're milking them. That company fits your portfolio. So, I just can't support that fucking douchebag. I cannot do it. Shit's crazy though. Hey, let's go, Sway. Beautiful. I love Top Step, man. I through and through love Top Step. Any problem I've had, they fixed. Any overbill, they refund me. I mean, I don't know. I'm not one for pushing prop firms, but they've never fucked me over, right? I've been in the prop firm game for almost 5-6 years now. I've tried them all. I've been fucked by almost all of them. They've never done any shady shit. Let's go. Oh, Sway, you're cranking on them. You're cranking on them, fam. Uh-oh. What are you using, Rhythmic? Or what is that copy trader? Ninja? I'm not gonna lie, I think I need to get on that Rhythmic game. Just copy trade 20 different or Replicanto, yeah, that's what it's called. I need to get on that motherfucker. I've been dragging it for too long. Okay. Interesting. Next time Apex gives that 90% sale, I might go ham. I'm not touching wealth charts, bro. I already told other people in the Discord not to fucking touch that sale. And this volatility with wealth charts, I guarantee you're donating your money. Guarantee you. You're gonna get in a trade. It's gonna be 100 print candle and ain't gonna fucking let you sell. Wealth charts is way too bugged out right now. I like the way it looks. I think they're going in the right direction. Just don't be the fucking guinea pig just throwing your money away. Yeah, they don't look bad. I'm just kind of chilling. Where's 1 minute staircase? Like I said, I'd imagine our draw of liquidity now is those highs, but we'll see. We shall see, fellas. Fucking what? Whopping total has earned over $1 billion in revenue. That's insane. Holy fuck. Let's go, though. I see that we've been averaging over 10 all stream. Let's fucking go, baby. We're growing a little bit. Slowly but surely, we're going to get to 20. I want to get to 50. Then one day, we're going to have 100 motherfuckers up in here, and chat's not going to be so damn dead. Beautiful trade, Dylan. Oh, man. This song will forever remind me of NBA 2K16 Blacktop with the Boys. Oh, what a golden time in my life.
Finally, someone let me out of my cage. Now, time for me is nothing cause I'm counting no A's. Nah, I couldn't be there. Nah, you shouldn't be scared.
Telling you, once Dylan decides, like I say, I tell you guys all the time, scared money don't make no money. You got to nut up or shut up, right? I'm not just saying that because those are phrases. That's truly what it takes in trading to make money. Everybody can have a strategy that works, no different than what I had, right? I'm a bear. I like shorting. Haven't caught a single bit of these longs, and we're paid city today. Every single strategy can make you money. But if you have no nuts, if you enter a trade and it goes $50 green, then back to break even, and you sell because you can't fathom seeing $50 go back to break even though it has not invalidated anything, you've got to reevaluate how bad you want to be in trading if you actually want it, because you have to have some nuts. This is the hardest, easiest thing you will ever do in your life. You're playing with your money. It's no different than Russian roulette with your money, right? When you go to the casino, you don't take your entire life savings. So why would you do the same thing in the stock market? Pick, stab, choose, take your money, walk out, come back, do it again the next day, and you'll be a very, very happy camper. You got to go in. The worst you're going to do is lose a little bit, right? I think you guys have been around long enough to know when you enter a trade with me or you take a trade based on what we do, that you should be targeting some lows. If you're always targeting some lows, your winners are always going to be more than your losers, plain and simple. Unless you're just over leveraging, which unless you guys didn't read what I sent out this morning, you should never over leverage in your life. And I'm guilty of it too. But if you say you can do something, you do it. And if you can't do it, don't over leverage yourself and say that you can. If you don't know how to build a car engine and someone says, hey, Sway, can you come to my house and help me rebuild my engine? You're like, oh, fucking absolutely. And you get there and you just make it even harder. What do you expect, right? If you can do it, do it. If you can't, don't fucking do it. Same with the stock market. If you can afford to lose that much, then do it. But if you can't, then stay away. No different than one of my buddies, right? I told him to buy NVIDIA and start DCAing in it. He bought at 100. I told him to buy the other day at 80. He said no. And then he told me he's going to sell full when it goes back to break even. I told him, sell full. I'm not texting you any more advice because you're not a trader. I fucking told you, it's just shit like that if you can't afford to do it, don't fucking do it. That's why crackheads end up on the street, right? They can't afford to smoke crack, and they keep doing it. If you could afford it and you had a job, maybe you'd be a household fucking crackhead. But you're just over leveraging and killing yourself. Take it day by day, do what's realistic for you, and move on, right? No different than some of my trading friends. Yesterday, some of them made 20 grand, and some of them made fucking 100 grand. Guess how much I made? 5 or 6,500, right? That's still a fantastic day, but I know at this stage in this market, I cannot hold a trade for full size for 800 points. That's not me. I can't do that. I know that in my head. But some people can, and that's fine. There's going to be that. And no different than why there's NFL athletes and us sitting at home on the computer, right? We clearly can't play ball, so we had to figure out what else we could do. That's because you sell my fucking trade for 10 points, Jonathan. Sweat over here, bro. Hey, in this market, right? And that should be my next point, right? That's all, and I'll give Brian, if y'all know Brian Stonk, his perks, right? He said something very, very amazing the other day. If you guys are copy trading, right? Assign like 2 to 3 accounts that you can afford to lose in this price action if you want to be an aggressive trader, right? Everybody sees these moves and they're like, oh, fuck, I'm going to retire my family. Well, if you blow all your accounts on one move, that's going to fucking sting. Maybe set aside, if you have 20, set aside 3 that you can go aggressive on and still get paid fantastic money. But don't risk on everything that you have right now being silly, right? And that's not saying don't copy trade, because clearly I'm copy trading. But whatever you're copy trading, if you're using more than like 5 to 10 MNQ right now, you're gonna cook your shit. And if you get caught in the backside of a 100-point candle, goodbye accounts for the most part. You can make fantastic money right now with 2 to 3 micros. Uh-oh. Let's see, if we break under 240, we could get some sell pressure here. Let's see. We technically are coming off fresh highs. Let's see what happens. Did we sweep up that tariff news? No, we did not. No, we did not. Oh, yeah. I saw you were voting for previous day high. I saw that. Fuck. It is the 10 a.m. reversal, motherfucker. The 10 a.m. reversal. 9 a.m. reversal, motherfucker. Yeah, but you always speak in Eastern time because that's where the market is. You got to speak in Eastern time. In terms of something like that, right? It's fine to say, "Oh yeah, I trade at 8:30, even though the market opened at 9:30." Right? That's completely different. But in terms of a reversal, you got to say it in Eastern time. Yeah, that's what happens when you get older. If you guys are new here, Unc sat next to Jesus in grade school. Ooh. Hey, good place to be in your life. We technically broke. Did we? No, we did not actually. Wow, that's like a damn near tick away from breaking the staircase. Okay. I don't know, Dylan. I'm liking short continuation here. I won't lie. Might be a little bit silly of me, but I'm liking shorts here, fam. Yeah, whatever. I'd believe you if you said under 80, fam. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking at, Francisco. Exactly what I'm looking at. And that lower time frame break, I want to see if sellers want to step up here, but they haven't shown it yet. That's a nasty 5-minute candle if it closes like that. Absolutely disgusting. Look at that 5-minute candle, bro. I'm going to do something silly here. I'm short 300. I am short 300. Strict stop above that local high at what, 330? I'm going to look to see, I'm going to look to trim around these 240 lows and we'll go from there. Light size, last trade. Need to see sellers step up here for me. We do have some buyer strength, so we could get instantly stopped out. So keep that in mind, please. Hey, it might. It most definitely might. That's why you got to size accordingly, brother man. Look at that fucking stop loss. Oh my god. Dude, my stop losses are on good fucking shit today, fam. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit. Oh. Oh, that is fucking hilarious, honestly. Just sell into oblivion here, baby. Oh, that is awesome. Fellas, they have officially stopped me out. Wanted to see if that 1 minute confirmation was going to sell us. Unfortunately, it did not, and they want those tariff news highs. I'm going to go ahead and call my day there. Let me pull my profits over. Gave a little bit of profits back at the end. Probably should have just stopped trading, but it is what it is, right? There we go. There's our profits for the day. Nothing astronomical, but I'll take 500 per every single day. Repeat, 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 and I'll have a fantastic month. Plain and simple. Some days are going to be bigger, some days are going to be less. But if we show up and do what we just did every single day, it's going to be a fantastic day. Dylan, fantastic long, my brother. I hope that 360 hits. Other than that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end my live trading session here. I hope you guys made some money with me. If you didn't, don't worry. We'll be back again tomorrow, live, 7:45, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, fellas. Wow. Look at the fucking rejection.